So look, me and my daughter about to go through a car wash. This is our first time doing it ever in life. She don't know what's gonna happen. We at the Quick Trip. Hold on, let me turn this around. Look raggedy. Yes, sir. We finna see what's to it. This is the first time I washed my truck too, since I had it. First time in life. I don't know how she about to act. You ready?
Let go.
Let go. We going in. Her first time ever in the car wash with Daddy. You ready?
Let go.
Let go. Oh, gotta stop. Put it in park. Wow. Wow. What that? Wow. You like it?
Yeah.
You like it? We gotta do this like every day?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna get food and then come here? 11:13 in the morning. Everybody yawning. She don't know what's going on. She's so confused.
What?
She's like, what? What the heck is going on?
Look at this.
Huh?
Look. Look here. Hi. Look. Look good. Here's out, Mom. Too fine. There are.
Again.
Oh, yeah. I got it.
Had to make sure her first car wash was the best one.
I got
Pay $15. You liking it?
Yeah.
Okay. Thumbs up. All right. Yay, we done. You happy? And we out.
I think it needs. We'll try this again. Apparently the first time I did this wasn't quite right. So we do not have the glass for this yet, so I can't show you that. It would have sliding glass doors. They overlap here in the center, and they're full width all the way from here, all the way down to the bottom. So they don't sit on top of the substrate panel. That's all 1/4-inch plate glass. So the unit itself measures 5 feet wide. It measures 4 feet high. And then as you can see, for me climbing inside of here, there's a lot of depth. It's 3 feet wide. So you can use it for all kinds of things. It does have up on top of it a 1 foot by 1 foot screen panel. So you can put heat lamps or anything else you want to up there from that standpoint. We can deliver this whole unit to you, all made. It'll take us about a week or so to get the glass for it, so we can deliver it to Sun Prairie for you for $1,200, and that's a heck of a deal. It has one minor scratch up on the top here, if you want to show him that, Cody. So it's got this little scratch up here in the top. Other than that, it's all set and ready to go.